is I want to put the gauges into the setup mode so I can change like the clock function and the odometer function on these digital gauges. So what the instructions say to do is that you're to hold in the function key, turn the bike on, and when that happens, we should see CL popped up on the speedometer, which would indicate it's entered the setup mode and we could change the clock time. So I'm pushing in the function key. I turned it on. I've released it. And at this time, you'll see that in fact the gauges have not entered the setup mode at all, and they remain the same. I can cycle through the different menus on the speedometer, like that's trip mileage for A, trip mileage for B. That's the kilometer per hour setting. That's a high setting. Time in the 60 seconds, in the quarter second. And back to the odometer reading. Per the instructions of the technical support at Dakota Digital, I unplugged 3 of the smaller gauges but left one on, and you'll notice it's got a 1 in the gauge. So that indicates that in fact it is in setup mode for 1, but the speedometer, which is 1, is not in the setup mode. And as I function through, you'll see that the gauge changes to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is the last mode. It's not used for anything. And it goes back to 1. And in fact, neither the speedometer or the tachometer ever went into the setup mode.